Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FAIRPHONE 5 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all we have to open our contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, so for example this one. Now let's tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon in the right upper corner, and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's simply tap on add picture, and here we've got different sections. So device photos, we can choose it from our own gallery or open the camera app. Google Photos, so those which are backed up, and illustrations, so those are available online. They are free of charge, and you can simply find something which resembles you of the person whose contact you'd like to customize. I'll choose something from the gallery, so let me just tap on it, and after tapping on the specific photo, we will be transferred to this section. Here you can change the position of the photo, you can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So simply tap on choose, and this is how our contact could look like if you're happy with the results, of course. Of course you can change the photo again or tap on save in the right upper corner, and we've just saved our contact. Of course you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.